This video will cover the process of testing that the components on the ATMOX MAXX or Flex controllers are working properly. To test the fans on the red output, press the arrow button one time. The manual light will illuminate. Press the plus button. The display will show manual on 24 hours. Now physically check all of the fans connected to the red output. Walk around the house and inspect the exhaust and intake fans. Any fans on orange output will be running as well, but those should be checked later. Once done inspecting the fans, switch the controller back to automatic mode. Press the arrow button one time. Make sure the manual light is illuminated. Then press the plus button. The screen should no longer say manual on 24 hours. Next, test the orange and yellow outputs if used. To start the test, press and hold the arrow button on the display screen until the screen changes. All components connected to the yellow and orange outputs will run for 10 minutes. Go into the crawl space and physically check each fan connected to the yellow and orange output lines to make sure they are working properly. Also check to see if the dehumidifier is operational. Make sure that no intake or exhaust fans venting to the outside are running during this test. They should not be on orange or yellow outputs. This can negatively impact the conditions of the crawl space. After 10 minutes, the system will go back into automatic mode. To go back into automatic mode immediately, press the M button. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.